Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about, can silicone coating be installed over a gravel surfaced roof? So say you have a roof with gravel on it, it's been there forever, maybe it's causing you some leaks, maybe some issues, and you read about silicone coatings and you wonder if you could just put it over top of it and get a seamless watertight roofing system. So the answer is yes, but it's not cost effective to do it that way. And it's because once you remove the gravel off that roof, you clean it and you put some coating down, that gravel has been embedded into the next layer on your roof. There's so many embedments, little holes, it would take so much coating to fill all those up first. Then you got to put coating over top of it to, be in line with the manufacturer's warranty of certain thicknesses. But it would be 4 times more expensive to do that than another roofing system, such as spray foam roofing, which is real beneficial because when you have all those embedments and little holes, spray foam is fluid applied. It'll go over top of all those embedments and leave a smooth surface behind, kind of leveling out the entire roof. So there's no need to prep all that stuff and even worry about those embedments because it's going to be fluid going over it and it's going to expand and the foam's going to leave a flat surface up top. So just wanted to say it's a popular topic out there with gravel and silicone, and most people just want to throw coating over it. Even without removing the gravel, you have to get that gravel off there. You have to clean the roof very good and do some preparation. But just want to give you the reason why coating is not cost effective, because you would use so much product, you'd be so much more beneficial to use a different roofing system. So if you want to learn more about this topic, please click the URL in the description. Full blog post and more details there. And if you have any questions about your gravel surface roof and what options you might have to get your roof watertight and under warranty, please let us know. Hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.